Plus, another shocking twist in the aftermath of the Ibrahim Ali trial.
Global News has learned the teen murder victim's father was arrested in connection with allegations of a gun taken into the courthouse on the final day of trial. Rumina Daya joins us live with more. And Rumina, we're also hearing from the victim's brother for the very first time.
Very first time, Chris, since this trial began. He's been waiting to talk for a very long time in order to get the voice of his family out there. His name is protected by a publication ban. And while he had harsh words today for the defense and what this trial has done to his family, he also spoke of his gratitude and relief with the guilty verdict.
I want to tell her that we love her, we miss her, and nothing will ever fill the void that she left when she was so brutally and suddenly torn from us. But we hope that she can find a modicum of peace now, knowing that we caught the monster that did this and found him guilty for his heinous crimes.
Heavy security inside the courthouse today, a metal detector and armed police and armed sheriffs. The proceedings in a high-security courtroom for the first time since the trial began back in the spring. Early this morning, before the start of a media court challenge, which is subject to a publication ban, Global News learned the teen's father had been arrested and released with conditions. He's not supposed to have any contact with counsel for the accused, and he must stay away from the BC Supreme Court. Now, Vancouver police will only say one man has been arrested and released pending further investigation. No charges have been laid. On Monday, though, VPD did tell us that they were investigating an allegation that a gun was brought into the courthouse. No other details were provided. But in a sworn affidavit, Ibrahim Ali's lawyer, Kevin McCullough, said police told him a Glock firearm was brought into the courtroom last Friday and there was, quote, an intention to kill. That was the day a jury found Ibrahim guilty of first-degree murder.
Well, Rumina, one of Ibrahim Ali's defense lawyers, Ben Linsky, also spoke out today about being the subject of those threats.
He did, Chris. He had told the court that there had been, counsel had told the court that there had been a litany of death threats. And can you imagine what would have happened, they said, if the verdict had gone the other way and Ali was found not guilty? They have concerns for themselves and their family. Here's what Ben Linsky had to say.
With the type of vitriol, the type of threats that we've encountered in this case, it's quite shocking. I'm very disturbed, and I'm disturbed as a member of the justice system, participant in the justice system, and I am personally fearful. We have a safety plan. We've been talking to the police daily.
Now, Chris and Sophie, defense has filed a notice of appeal. They want a new trial. They're citing 25 grounds. So this case is far from over. Back to you.
No doubt. Okay, thanks very much. That's Rumina Daya reporting.